up, Bug? And we're back. Now, just today, I'm playing on the Chromebook, so you guys can hear. Yeah.
And today we're going to be playing some burping simulator game because you guys just absolutely loved it.
Yeah, you guys seem to like our last vid. It made like 22 subs, I think. Maybe it's 21. Can't remember. That's...
Do you mean views?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what I meant. And guys,
I've been grinding this game for a while too, so.
Yeah, he has. And he started yesterday. And guys, I can't believe...
Already almost about to get a rebirth too.
And it is so stupid that they removed the oof sound, guys, right?
Yeah, it sucks.
Man, so dumb. Guys, get the merch.
What's dumb?
Guys, get the merch. It's just go to the
official Shotplug Mason group.
Yeah.
Join his group.
Just search up Floppa things.
So then we can afford to make some like expensive videos and stuff like that.
Yeah, go to Floppa.
Buy the merch.
Search up Floppa things and people, and then if you see someone that like has a Floppa on them, and I could change my character. Okay, do that, and then scroll through the groups I'm part of, and then if you see official Chubpug Mason fan club, and you see this on my t-shirt, click on that, go to store, and get it. It's only 3 Robux. So yeah. And there's the man, Mason. Doo, 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 doo. Guys, I just want to tell you, I don't know when we're going to do the Mason face reveal. When are we actually? Like, that's a good question.
Maybe 30 subs.
Oh, yeah, 30 subs.
30.
Guys, we need to hit 30 subs before the end of the year when we are trying our best to make these super cringe, I mean super good videos for you.
They're a mixture of both.
Yeah. Well, some of my first videos are like Mason thinks I'm not making a video. 10 sub special. Beginning was super cringe. 9 sub special. We did a good job on that. Because the face-off was in the beginning. Pretty good.
And here I am, guys. I got the merch on. Here's a better view of it.
Yeah, this is a pretty good view of it. We will be making some new merch. It's just when you guys buy it, it really helps. So we can get the Bobucks and we
support the group and the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
And let's get the game. Sam, watch this. Oh, I killed you. Oh, this kid. Yeah. Go cry to your mom, little kid. No, I don't want to do feedback. Yeah. Run. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh my God, who just killed me? I don't see anyone near me.
And also there's
what
this
the heck?
friend. You've already seen him. His name is Bruh Guy.
Yeah, Bruh Guy. This man is a legend.
He's really good at the game, and he's really good at being a nice guy.
Yeah. What is going on, guys?
And shout out to Bacon Jelly for being one of our recent subscribers.
Yes, go. I forgot his name. Just if this video has the comments, go comment so they can go sub to you, okay? Just type in sub to me. Like sub to you. Like type that. Not to sub to me. Sub to, yeah, you know.
And I just started a new YouTube channel too, even though, well, Sam's gonna well, if we start making money, which I really want to, we can start to get more money, and then we'll start getting I think $5, right?
I actually don't know.
Or maybe like that. If we get $5, we'll have to split 2.5.
But guys, guess what? We're gonna make merch someday, okay?
Nice drippy merch.
Yeah, this merch
that no one will forget.
This merch is gonna be so comfortable that it just makes you. We're gonna make blankets. We're gonna make squishies. We're gonna make all those stuff. And we're not gonna be like Lanky Box, okay, guys? We're not gonna be like, oh my god, oh my god.
Wait, what does Lanky Box do?
They make pretty cringe videos. Not gonna lie.
Bro, literally all he has is just Ulu merch.
What the heck is going on with that box? Yeah, that is Ulu merch. Not gonna lie. It makes me want to throw up. Bro, Flamingo's merch.
So crappy.
Flamingo's merch has nothing to do with him. It has this cool art, but it has nothing to do with him.
Bro, I want Flamingo's plushies.
Oh yeah.
Bro, and there's these people that have literally someone in this game has 107 rebirths.
Yeah, that
top
is
players
a lot.
worldwide. Number 1, 5,206 prestiges.
There are people that have a lot of rebirths in this game.
Yeah, it's crazy.
You guys need to play this game, okay?
Oh, one of our friends joined.
Who joined?
Bro guy.
Oh, Freddy's already in. Yeah, bro guy, we just talked about him, so yeah. I've made 0.
It's in the video there because my papa's snoring.
Okay. I can't even hear anyway, so yeah. Okay, so guys.
Okay, here, can you just not make that video to public?
Why not?
Oh, okay. I said my papa's snoring, but okay.
I can't hear it.
Okay.
So guys, we're gonna end the video here.
We're gonna make another video right after this.
Yes.